Hi everyone, so let's talk about next monorepo solution, Turborepo, which is a high performance build system for monorepos. Turborepo is a blazing fast build system that optimizes monorepo performance by using caching, parallel build, task execution and all. So let's start with the simple Turborepo, how we can set up this. So there is an installation instruction. We can just use npm, pnpm or npx. I will just go ahead with the npx. And I will create a simple turborepo. Npx create latest. So it will ask me a couple of questions. You want to install, proceed further. So what do you want to use? We want to use npm is fine. It is now downloading files very fast. So this is the final code which we have got. This is the turborepo complete command, create a turborepo. And you can just do all these things if you want to log in, remote caching. But these are the basic commands which you can run. These are the different application packages it has created. Now, if you see Turbo.json, it has 3 different tasks: the check types, lint, build. And these are the packages: UI, TypeScript config, ESLint config, and these are the applications. One is a documentation, one is a web app. Okay, let's play with the different commands. So Turborepo, I think this plugin we can install. That should help us in couple of things. Turbo not found, install now. So Turbo is not globally installed. Now it should work. Okay, now let's go to our turbo.json and we should be able to run different commands. So our first command we will do is turbo run build. It is going to run build on all the project, and you can see it is fetching it from the cache. First time it took some time. Now let's say another command, turbo run lint. Do we have lint command? Yes. It is taking some time first time, and then if I just do again, then you can see it is fetching it from the cache, right? Test all the 3 and it is fetching it from there. So it is ultra fast. We can run other commands also. Now I will just do turbo run dev. Dev is there in 2 projects. So it will just start those projects, web and docs. It is supporting all those projects. Like, okay, you want to run the test in particular project. Then you can just apply the filter. Okay, filter, let's say apps. Web. It will just run the test. No package found. Sorry. This should be inside the packages. And this is again using the workspace, npm workspace. You can see the workspace has applications and packages together. And then we just added a turbo tooling. This turbo JSON has been added here. These are the different tasks: lint, type checks, cache, and cache is false for running dev command. Otherwise, cache is, I think, true. So this is the npm script at the root, and we can see npm run build. If I do npm run build, what it will do is it is going to run build on all the projects, because it is using turbo run build, which will take care of building this thing in all the projects. Npm run lint. It will run the lint in all the projects. Format. It will run the prettier on all the projects. Similarly, npm run dev. It will start the projects using. So this is the basic setup of the Turborepo. Now we will dive more into Turborepo and all the configurations and all the things we can do here.